Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Also share with your friends. So let's get started with the topic, which is commutative property of rational numbers. In the previous video we already discussed about the closure property of rational numbers. In this video we will have a brief discussion about the commutative property of rational numbers. Let us first see what is commutative property. Involving the condition that a group of quantities connected by operators gives the same result whatever the order of quantities involved. It simply means no matter in what order you add or perform specific operation, you should always get the same resultant. You will understand this better when we will use the examples. So commutative property also exists for different operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's get started with the addition of commutative property. Let's check whether addition is commutative or not. If it is commutative, then it should satisfy the following condition, that is a plus b is equals to b plus a. If it satisfies this condition, then it is a commutative property. Let's get started with one simple example of a is equals to 3 by 4 and b is equals to 5 by 6. If we add them, we get 18 plus 20 divided by 24. We just cross multiplied here. See, 6 3s are 18, 5 4s are 20, whole divided by 6 4s are 24. So 18 plus 20 divided by 24, which is equals to 38 by 24. Now we will do it for b plus a. If we do it for b plus a, we get 5 by 6 plus 3 by 4, which is equals to 20 plus 18 divided by 24, which is equals to 38 by 24. Hence, a plus b, see, a plus b, the value of a plus b is equals to the value of b plus a. Hence, it satisfies the following condition to be the commutative property. A plus b is equals to b plus a. Addition is commutative. Now we will move on to the subtraction of commutative property. If let's check whether subtraction is commutative or not, whether it satisfies the following condition, that is of a minus b is equals to b minus a. If it satisfies the condition, then it is a commutative property. If it doesn't satisfy the condition, then it is not a commutative property. So we will discuss with one example, same example, like 3 by 4, a is equals to 3 by 4 and b is equals to 5 by 6. If we subtract them, we will get 18 minus 20 divided by 24, which is equals to minus 2 divided by 24. Now let's do it for b minus a. For b minus a, 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4 is 20 minus 18 divided by 24, which is 2 divided by 24. You can compare a minus b with b minus a. This is a complete negative value and this is the positive value. Negative value cannot be equal to positive value. Hence, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. It doesn't satisfy the condition to be the commutative property. Hence, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Subtraction is not commutative property. Now we will check for multiplication. Is multiplication commutative? If multiplication is commutative, then it should satisfy the condition. If it doesn't satisfy the condition of a into b is equals to b into a, then it is not a commutative property. So let's get started with a simple example, which is in which a is equals to 3 by 4, b is equals to 5 by 6. We will multiply a into b equals to 3 by 4 into 5 by 6, which is equal to 15 by 24. Now we will multiply b into a, that is 5 by 6 into 3 by 4, which is also equal to 15 by 24. 5 3s are 15, 6 4s are 24. Hence you can compare a into b with b into a, which is a multiplied with b and b multiplied with a. 15 by 24 is equals to 15 by 24. It is satisfying the condition. Hence multiplication is commutative. Now we will go for division. Is division commutative? Let's check. It should satisfy the following condition, that is a divided by b equals to b divided by a. Division to be commutative, it should follow, it should satisfy this condition. If it satisfies the condition, then it is commutative. If it doesn't satisfy this condition, it is not commutative. So let's get started with a simple example of a is equals to 3 by 4 and b is equals to 5 by 6. When we divide 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 6, the denominator goes to the numerator and it becomes reciprocal of what it is. So 3 divided by 4 into 6 divided by 5 is 3 6 are 18 divided by 5 4s are 20. Now we will check for b divided by a. See, we are dividing 5 divided by 6 whole divided by 3 by 4. Even here the denominator, when it goes to the numerator, it becomes a reciprocal of what it is. So 5 divided by 6 into 4 divided by 3, 5 4s are 20 divided by 6 3s are 18. You can see or compare a divided by b and b divided by a. The values are completely different. 18 divided by b is not equal to 20 divided by 18. Hence, a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. It does not satisfy the condition to be the commutative property. Division is not commutative. In this video, we discussed the commutative property of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So addition and multiplication are commutative, subtraction and division are not commutative. In the coming video, we will discuss about the associative property. So to watch more videos, do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and also do not forget to share with your friends.